you done with my machine?
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know. What machine?
The power of the sun in the palm of my hand. It's gone.
Listen, sir, if you stop smashing cars, we can work together and I can help you find your machine.
You want to play games?